welcome back. Now I'm here to show you how to thread your bobbin into the Singer Stylist machines right here. So keep watching. To start, remove the bobbin cover plates by pushing the release button onto the right. So your release button, it has the grids right here. You want to push it to the right. Oops, it kind of just pops open. But don't do that. Let's do this one more time. So I'm going to do it with two hands this time. Push open. There you go. Very nicely done. Next, I am going to pick up my bobbin in the position of number upside down 6. What I mean by that is your bobbin is going to be right here, which is this circle. Imagine this number 6 upside down. Okay? You want to just kind of drop it in there. And then you're going to find that center grid, following by this illustration right here. So you got one grid here, another grid's here, and then you want to find the center of that, which is right here. And you kind of pull it onto your left securely. It will kind of looks like it moved onto grid number 1. That's what I like to call it. And when you pull it, your bobbin will be nicely turned around. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to pull your lid back. Alright. Now, don't do it like this. Remember not to get it caught. You want to pull that open again. Place it somewhere where it won't get caught. There you go. Now it's nicely not caught. That's it, you guys. You have officially learned how to threading the bobbin thread.